The eighth flight under Operation Sindhu landed at Delhi airport carrying approximately 285 Indian nationals from Iran. This is the fifth such flight to land in India since Iran reopened its airspace following recent tensions. Meanwhile, 162 Indians crossed over safely into Jordan from Israel. Another batch of over 200 Indians is expected to make the same crossing. From Jordan's capital Amman, arrangements are being made to fly them back home. So far, a total of 1,713 Indians have been safely brought back from Iran under this operation.
Amid escalating tension between Israel and Iran, India has launched Operation Sindhu and 8 flights have reached India. Around 13 people have been rescued from Iran. I'm joined by one of the person who has just arrived from Iran. Sir, you were trapped there in the war hit Iran. What do you have to say? You have just reached here.
Yeah, we were trapped there, but it was like situation on the ground except Tehran. The situation on the ground was very normal. Like I was first stranded in the Qom, and there I realized that things were running smoothly. We even did not feel the war is going on.
क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप? भारत आप लौट आए हैं.
I'm just glad I'm home. Home is always home. No one can replace how home feels like. So all I can say, I'm glad. I'm glad to be back, and I'm thankful to our Ministry of External Affairs, the patience what Indian Embassy is showing there, because it's a very difficult job to navigate the whole operation in a war zone, and with so many people, distress calls, messages, and God knows, and managing people with different tempers also. So they have been very patient, and they have been like on their toes throughout the session and helping us immensely.
So a flight carrying around 285 passengers have just landed here at Indira Gandhi International Airport. It was seen that around 8 flights have come from Iran under the Operation Sindhu, and around 13 Indians, those who were trapped in war hit Iran, have been rescued, and more flights will be arriving. And it was seen that India has shown its diplomatic power from resuming Iran's airspace to bringing people back to their soil safely and swiftly. With the cameraman Pradeep Gupta, Anmol Bali, Delhi.
आई थैंक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट कि हम वहाँ पे बहुत परेशान थे और उन्होंने हमें सेफली हमें अपने घर तक पहुँचाया, एंड वी आई थैंक देम अ लॉट. और या इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एंड एज वेल एज ईरानियन गवर्नमेंट, उन्होंने भी हमारी बहुत हेल्प करी इवैक्यूएट करने में. करेंटली हम लोग वहाँ थे कुंभ में. उसके बाद हमने इंडियन एम्बेसी से बात करी तो हम फिर मशहद आए थे. उसके बाद 2-3 डेज में हमारा फिर फ्लाइट आ गई थी. सो लाइक अब हम यहाँ हैं.
वहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक सिस्टम हो गया, क्योंकि वहाँ लेडीज, जिस जगह हम रुके हुए हैं ऊपर वो जा रहे हैं ड्रोन्स, और वो एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम उसे कंट्रोल कर रहा है, कभी गिर भी रहा है. तो बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक था सर. लेकिन मैं इंडिया गवर्नमेंट को इसलिए और शुक्र करता हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें एक सेफ जगह पे रखा जहाँ पर कोई ड्रोन का सिस्टम नहीं था. सब स्टूडेंटों को निकाला, एम्बेसी ने अपनी तरफ से पैसे दिए, होटलों के, कार के, हमें एयरपोर्ट पहुंचाया.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.